Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website you can claim Dogecoin from. That website, no timer, no limit, and that's unlimited. Okay, let's get started. First of all, go to your faucetpay, copy your Dogecoin wallet address from here. This is your Dogecoin wallet address. Just copy it and you come in this website. This website link available in description. Paste your Dogecoin wallet address in here. After that, come down, just click I'm not robot, this button, and just click claim. Okay, and that's it. You can claim your amount. Okay, and you can claim again. Just put your wallet again and you come down and just click I'm not robot and just click claim. Okay, and you can claim, come back, this will be pay you. Just click continue and then come down and just wait 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, just click I'm not robot and just click claim, and you can see again pay me my amount and just click continue, then come down and then click I'm not robot, just click claim. You can do this for 50 times a day. Okay, right now is a 50 time because maybe the Dogecoin price is going up very soon. About that, this website pay you 50 time. Last week this website pay you 100 time, and maybe 1 month ago I make a video about this website. This website pay you unlimited that time. Okay, and because of the Dogecoin price is going up, maybe 1 week later or 2 weeks later, you can just come here, claim your amount, and you can make much more Dogecoin for yourself. And thanks for watching guys. And this website pay me instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof in here. And now you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself and start earning. Bye bye for now.